can you hear yourself?
Yes.
How about now? Is that loud? That's fine? Oh. Can I get that volume? Oh, let me get your microphone, please. Hello.
I don't feel alone for the rest of my life just because I've chosen you. You really couldn't ask me just to be your wife and expect me to be true.
All right, I like that. Let me get the violin, please. All right, can I get the violin's mic?
You cross the table, eating beans and make love as long.
Just one microphone, please.
Don't get too excited now.
Yeah, just one.
Ooh, ooh.
Nice, cool. Can I get Anna? Can I get your microphone, Anna, as well?
She's singing.
Say it.
Check one, two, check one, two, check one, two. Coffee, butter beans, and some more stuff at the table.
Can you hear yourself?
Check one, two, check one, two, check. Yeah, I can hear myself.
Yeah? Cool. Can you give me everything all together and I'll come jump with you and then cool. Zip. Can I hear just the violin, please?
Yeah, I feel like the low end is really high,
Yeah.
at least on the monitor.
Just give me that. Yeah, that one. Yeah, just that one. Just that because. Keep listening. All right. Can you give me something? All the strings, please. Cool. Can I get Anna's microphone one more time?
Check one, two, check one, two, check one, two, check one, two, check. Cornbread, butter beans, biscuits on the table. Is it biscuits?
You do across the table.
Oh, I will eat biscuits with you if I am able. Check one, two, I love biscuits.
What if you were Cain?
On them. What?
What if you were Cain?
If I was Cain?
Cane sugar? Hilarious.
Not able.
Oh,
I was Cain.
Unable.
Then I'd be a murderer. Murderers don't deserve biscuits, do they? You gotta remember these.
Dun, 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 dun. All right. Give me one more sing along.
and can you turn up
Yes,
both
please.
my vocals and my fiddle in the monitor?
Down or up?
Up.
Up. So let's try just the fiddle. Yeah, let's try to fiddle the microphone first. See if you like
That's better.
That's better?
I'll know once we all
Right.
play together.
it. Yeah, just keep playing. I'm gonna come and fix the monitor situation for you. But give me, yeah.
Okay.
You want us to
keep
do?
playing?
Yeah, this is, I want to hear everybody sing.
I don't ever feel alone for the rest of my life just because I've chosen you. You really couldn't ask me just to be your wife and expect me to be true. Yeah, well, there's one who made me down that door. He was such a special man. He said, baby, you're a wonder, would be right. You know, baby, to the same. Don't you talk to me, no, never. It makes me forget my dreams. Always slept in bed next to members of my team. Just what do you expect from me before I just can't wait to go and leave my energy, dancing on more days, dancing on more days, everything dancing on more days. Fireflies in the jungle. Flies the jungle flow around the waterfalls. Tell me about your travels that don't bother me at all. But it really doesn't interest me to listen to your lies. I'll be by the ocean just swimming in the skies. Yes, swimming in the skies, swimming in the skies. I'm not looking for a couple to sing down. Alone I do just fine. I never really found myself wondering how I while away the time. I know you want to save me, love, but I ain't drowning here. All I got to my name is time, so I'm taking up what's mine. Taking up what's mine. Taking up what's mine. Taking up what's mine. Taking up what's mine.
All right, I like it. Was that feedback here for you? Your microphone for me? Allison, was your mic? No?
It worked fine.
Oh, okay. Can I do anything?
Can you raise the fiddle a little
Yeah.
bit?
Yes. Well, fiddle a little bit there.
Yes, please.
Cool. Can you try just the fiddle? Yeah, from the front, right? How about now?
Yeah, that's better.
Okay, let me turn that monitor a little bit to your way. Give me a little bit more. Cool. Anna, can I do anything for you?
That's good.
Cool.
You got a hot drink. Cool.
Try this again. Want to take it down from there?
Oh yeah.
All right. Can I hear that fiddle one more time? See if it's gone. Cool. All right. Thank you. See you tomorrow.